grant writing peeps. Finishing up week 2 here. A bunch of things to go over. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting into our groups. And again, I've mentioned this before, but you're going to be divided into 2 teams. Half the class is going to be team blue, half the class is going to be team green, which you'll probably notice is TAMUCC school colors. But each team is going to be working on its own grant. And you're both working on the problem with protein, and because the food bank needs lots of protein, it is in this case okay to write 2 identical grants to be sent off to different funding agencies, because we're not trying to fund the same thing. We're trying to increase the dollar amount. Yes, we're going after increased protein for the food bank, but they need $10,000, and Team A is going to write a grant for $5,000, and Team B is going to write a grant for $5,000 as well. So each team is going to be writing a grant, and within each team, there are going to be 3 groups, imaginatively named Group A, Group B, and Group C. And each group is going to have a different aspect or different job that they're going to be doing as well. So today, we're going to get into our groups. We're going to sort of communicate with each other. We're going to make some decisions about how the grant's going to work. Long and the short of it is we can't have 24 people calling the food bank every time they have a question. So each team, Team Blue and Team Green, is going to have a quarterback, somebody who is, or can call it communicator, whatever it is, but somebody who communicates with Robert Morales, who's going to be our funding contact at the food bank as well. And so if you have questions or information that you need, you would contact your quarterback. The quarterback would contact Mr. Morales at the food bank. And as soon as the quarterback gets the information, he'll share that, or she will share that with the whole team as well. So each team is going to have a quarterback. Each group is going to have a quarterback. And then they're going to be teams as well, Team Blue, Team Green, Team A, Team B, Team C, and each team is going to have one person that you're going to get together and decide who's going to communicate with each other and with me to make sure and get everything posted and make sure your group's work is done. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but when you think about it, I'm part of it. I'm part of a team. Team A or Team B. I'm part of a group. And I'm sorry, I'm messing this up. I'm part of a team, Team Green, Team Blue. I'm part of a group within that team, A, B, or C. And I've got a group of 4 people that I'm working with. And it's really pretty straightforward once you get into it as well. So that's the first thing that we're going to be doing. We're going to be looking about how to find funding sources. I'm going to talk about how to read the funding sources to figure out what it is granting agencies want. So that's what we're doing this week. And remember, again, there's a tour of the food bank this Thursday, which is the 28th. I might have my date wrong, but it's this Thursday. Hang on. I know this is could be a little bit more polished than this, but this Thursday, the 29th, excuse me. We're going to be meeting at the food bank of the Coastal Bend, which is 5442 Bear Lane. And again, it's not required, but it would certainly be helpful for you I could get a chance to meet you one-on-one, and you could also get a chance to see the food bank people and learn what it is the project is and what they do. I think that'll be very helpful. So always look forward to seeing your work, and I hope to get to see some of you at the food bank this Thursday. I will talk to you soon.